Dinga se chinchera au abwa segati yabo baikira naso muchubo songo helio guichoria hegetabo ekyo kyamagombo banyana bonigo abande barokana gutanjira naso moyo obo abwa se batebire buna Raila obere oboye usabere gakobatiga ase embeo kurende nigo bakirembu yamono gochi ase serikali asokobeka hemeroberio yoko mwenia buna abakenya na koinyora bosina kubali bagalio kubainyora gochi koenekya mbachi kuikirana sense media yo ase Musikere Odinga arachia koeni wa Murikito Caroline Mausa agotumanya senchira yoboikirana
abamenyi korwase county ya Kisii nigo bagenderete goikirana asomo chyobo songo eligo ichoria egetabu gyo kurwengora guchia senya gusira Raila Amolo Odinga abwasaba babaire bagoikirana bagoteba buna goikira boniga tibaranyara kwa babagwanchirana buna omogaka oralire
twe buna bananchi ba Kenya nturaisaneka nokorera wana nari gusaba ase chingaki chiri twaetu igoro na rero asokorora omubere aria bunge na aria segeti gya Kasarani nari kuburia committee eire libaga na inderengererie abakenya libaga mono elinda abakenya balere oyo mo bwabare baita banana ase ya Kenya na Africa moyuro nyare kurara nari kuburia abakenya kwa jumla na baro baire libageri ba tuare okorera komorembe kiagera na bakonyora singa kibuneye amangana yobo burukanu kidogo nkobare lakini aganiria abakenya ase bonse babeta bali bakorera omugaka Raila bakore igo ase maskania manene kiagera enselas megenderere nonyene kero yo moito anyare ko bagago tosireri
onde koruraira asira na nyago timoka nkorera nde bakaboniga serikali ya itongambia mono asenge nchorere meroberi twarambia ya chaka yagendereire byali twarore live viewing yo mugaka matangambia yagenderete. But we still want to ask them so that the committee looks at it again. We have more time. Toe kuchinga kicheto muna Kenya, tolere baba, andi nari na intotora isane kenga baba tu ancheta maeno chire igo totigire.
Thank you to the government for making that arrangement for people to yesterday it was not successful because people gathered so much and then there was no room for such an opportunity for people to view the body of the late respectable leader. But today I think most of the people have found that opportunity and to view and to show the last respect.
Nemono ni gabara ikorwa sekiama kia ODM babekiro moroberio bokwena kiabuna ondebwensi ore no kugania gukorwe ngora ya ego chia senya gusira Raila Amolo Odinga abega goikirana ase chinseme chyo nabo igo kwerikia.
Tuamini, hatuamini baba amekufa. Ni uchungu. Na leo kama chama cha ODM Kisii ingekuwa ni uwezo Kisii mzima leo ingekuwa Nairobi, lakini kwa sababu ya space logistics tumekuja kuomboleza baba hapa karibu na watu wetu. Tumeweka tent hapa kama chama with the help of His Excellency Paul Simbarati. Ametaka watu waomboleza hapa nyumbani, waandike a message of condolence to wish baba farewell na akienda alale salama.
Unapoangalia jana ni historia, amekuwa mtu wa pili kusherekewa na kuombolezwa baada ya Nelson Mandela. Hivi alikuwa anapendwa sana. Tunazidi kutoa pole zetu. Siku zimebaki mbili, kesho watu wataenda Kisumu, tuende tumpokee baba, tuomboleze Kisumu. Kisha Jumapili tukue kule Bondo, tuweze kumsindikiza na heshima yake yote. Tungekuwa na uwezo kama sio wili ya baba azikwe baada ya masaa 72, baba angepelekwa kila county Kenya mzima atembewa muone, kwa sababu yeye alikuwa ni mtu wa watu.
Nonye nabonige gati ya babarure pole gochia sebaria basireti amate kubwatekana no ngusana na kukwa betogo kwenekirwa abwasi tukoria igoro asegeti gie chigosori ya Kasarani ekera abantu baikiranete erikurigereria omubero nyagosira Raila Amolo Odinga.
I want just to condemn on the act that took place yesterday when the body was being viewed, and I think the authorities should be tolerant. Even the Askaris should be tolerant, especially this time. A great father like this one, who has led this country to long strides, he should be honored. But we thank God for the days that he lived with us, For those who have lost their lives during this time when they were viewing the body, we say pole to the family. We say pole to the entire Kenyan community, and we ask that may the Lord rest Baba in peace.
Chomarigereria nige gati ya bamenyi korwase county ya Kisii anene mona igasomo cyobosongo bataraorokia ogwancherana kwaba abwase bagoteba buna nigo goikera bono emioyo ya betara bagegwancherana buna omogaka Baba Raila Amolo Odinga onyarire ko bagagosiria obogima bwae anene mono nigo baboririe bari bako baba goikerana imechi nsemo cya Kisumu aburi tukoryankyo banyare ko baba goikerana chinsemechyo eriko yorigereria omobere Nyagosira Raila Amolo Odinga korwaiga ime county ya Kisii niko reporter ya Amayane Soko TV erietaria Nemausa Caroline.